In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a Revolut account in Dubai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Revolut application to open your own account in Dubai. You will be able to make payments and transfer money between contacts in Dubai itself or to other countries or currencies. So all that you have to do is download the app. To do this, open the App Store if you are using an iOS device or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. You can also visit the website, tap the option to get the app, and this will automatically redirect you into the respective application where you can look for Revolut. Once you open the app, you will see this little introduction, so they are going to go over the standard features, ready to change the way that you money, easy to pay at home and away, send near, far, grow your savings, invest, and money protected. So all that you have to do now is tap sign up at the bottom right. In here, you will be able to choose a valid phone number. So look for your own country or region, and you will be able to start this process. In here, include a mobile number, and it is going to be verified. The first step is going to be done by receiving a tax code that needs to be input to complete the verification. Once the tax code has been verified, if everything looks okay and you included a valid phone number, you will be able to start this process. Now, because this contains a lot of personal, sensitive information, I cannot show you this process in full on screen. But once you input the tax code, the first thing that you have to do is confirm your country of residence. So include it there and proceed. Next, you will be able to complete this by including your full name, the Revel tag, which is simply how Revolut refers to your account, your date of birth, your home address, confirm your email address, and then take a selfie for improved account security. Once all of this is done, you will be asked to import any contacts over if you would like to, create a PIN to access your account, which serves as the password, and choose from any of the available plans. You can choose the standard one, and that should be enough to access most of the features and continue for free, but you can pick one of the paid ones if you notice that the features are better suited for you. And once you proceed, you will be able to use Revolut to issue payments either in Dubai or to other countries. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Revolut account in Dubai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.